everyone, this is Dawn with DEK Designs coming at you with this week's free kit for Hump Day Happy Mail. So this week our kit is called Shopping Spree, and it does come with Fashion Girls, and this is the full boxes with silver hollow foil and your choice of skin tone, and the date covers and the washi, and your boxes sheet, and your scallops, flags, work labels, and deco, your 3-heart checklist, 2 clipboards, your sidebar, habit trackers, and some script, and your headers, glitter and font, and these are checklist flags, your weekend banner, and your banner scallop. And then down here is some small page flags. Okay, so that is this week's kit. It's free today with a $19 minimum purchase, and our website is linked below. Thank you and have an awesome hump day.